I drop my knee and I turn us over. So I bridge, and then I turn right to the now, okay? So I'll show you one time without 10 so you guys can see what my legs are doing. When I'm here, I'm bridging my hips up like this and dropping this knee. One safety tip is that I want to point my toes down. I don't want to flex my foot like that when I bridge over because they might land on the side of my foot. So I point my toes down like a ballerina that way. Roll right over. Okay? You want to try one, bud? So first one, Kimura, right? Clears the hands, goes for the Kimura, high. Now he goes for the choke. I tuck my chin in. Same hand's going to come out, and he's grabbing my arm here so that I can't post my hand out on the ground and stop him from rolling over. That's why he's pulling this arm around his body like a life preserver. See that? And now he's going to lift his hips, open his knee, boom. Over we go. Okay? So yeah, that detail about pulling the arm around your body, I'm very much doing this. Pulling it around. Okay? If he does post his hand up, it's okay. You would just go back to the Kimura. Alright? Because again, if he's not high knees elbow, then the Kimura is available. So even if you try to take him over and he does that, it's okay. Just go right back to the arm lock. But ideally, once we go for the sweep, we kind of want the sweep, right? So keep it tight to your ribs, lift the hips, drop the knee, and don't forget, point your toes down. So I lift, drop, point. And now I can roll. Cool? Any questions? You guys want to see it again? Good? Alright, let's get a shot. 1, 2, 3, go.